Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you all are good and safe at your homes. I'm your science teacher Ms. Humaira Tosif. The lesson which we are going to learn today is the animal world. The contents of this lessons are essential of survival, adaptation, movement, reproduction. Students, as you know, animals are the living beings, and there are lots of interest and enthusiasm in learning about them. Our today's topic is essential for survival. Animals need four basic things to survive: water, energy, oxygen, and shelter. Water. Water is the most precious thing on earth because we cannot survive longer without it. Water is made from hydrogen and oxygen. Animals are 70% made up of water. So, if it's lost, it needs to be replaced because it helps to move nutrients from the food you eat around your body and also help to maintain your body temperature. Animals need energy to do everything, such as eat, walk, grow, and develop. Birds use energy to fly, baby animals need energy to grow, and energy also helps to repair the wounds. Energy is passed from one living thing to another living thing through food, known as food chain. As we all know, sun is the biggest source of energy, which used by plants to make their food. Plant also known as producer, and the animals which eat plant known as primary consumer, just like grasshopper. Then grasshopper eaten by the frog, which is known as secondary consumer. Later on frog became the food of snake. We can call that as tertiary consumer. So energy passed from sun to snake in form of food, which is known as the food chain. Now, the next one is oxygen. Oxygen is the basic need of all living things. The animals which live on land get it from air, and the water living animals get it from water. Plants produces oxygen in atmosphere in the surrounding of animals. Animals breathe in oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, which is the need of plants to produce oxygen in the atmosphere back. Animals need shelter. Most animals need a place to live or shelter. Shelter helps protect animals from danger. Birds build a nest. Ants dig under the ground. Turtle uses his shell. Mice hollow logs or under rocks. Beavers build dams and make a lodge. Now, here's a video about the animals' need. Hope you will enjoy this. After that, the quiz time will start.
For animals to stay alive, for animals to stay alive, they need four things I would not lie. They need four things I would not lie. They need food so they can grow. They need food so they can grow. And they need water just like so. And they need water just like so. They need shelter, a place to live. They need shelter, a place to live. And they need air, they breathe it in. And they need air, they breathe it in. It's our job to give animals care. It's our job to give animals care. Sing the needs if you dare. Sing the needs if you dare. Need one, food. Need two, water. Need three, shelter. Need four, air. Animal.
Now it's time for some quizzes. First question is: water is made from oxygen and hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, hydrogen and carbon dioxide, and none of above. The answer is oxygen and hydrogen. Animals that get energy from animals that eat plant are known as producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumer. The answer is secondary consumers. Question 3 is, which gas do plants absorb? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. The answer is carbon dioxide. Now it's time for some homework. Student, keep in mind that all the work should be done in your science copy. Question 1 is, name the 3 essential things animals need to survive. Question 2, can animals survive longer without food and water? Question 3 is, where does all energy come from? Question 4, arrange this part of the food chain in the correct order. Secondary consumer, primary consumer, tertiary consumer, and producer. Students, solve your science worksheet number 1. Solve the question number 1 of your science workbook on the page number 6. Students, thanks for your attention. Hope everything is clear to you. Do all the home tasks and solve worksheets too. It will be checked by your teacher when school will reopen. Take care. See you soon.